A warm Saturday afternoon is the perfect time for spring cleaning, especially if there's a friend there to help. And especially if it wasn't done last spring, or the spring before that, or...
You know, there's a lot of stuff in here I don't think you need.
Thanks, but I do need all those things.
Do you need this?
Of course I do.
If you say so. Uh-oh. What about this?
I need that too.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know. What's in there? I can't see. What's in there?
Hey, look at this.
Oh,
Let's screw it in. All we need is electricity.
I don't have it. Or a lamp.
Oh, let's go to Pins. He always has everything. Wow, that's cool.
Yes, but what is it?
Thanks! I call it perpetual motion. It takes wood like so and turns it into energy. And then it takes more wood to burn and it makes more energy.
Ah, then it gives you electricity, am I right?
No, it doesn't give me anything. It just takes and takes. Say, what do you need electricity for anyway?
This.
Ooh, that is one fine-looking light bulb. Just a moment. Behold, this machine transforms power from the wind into electricity. I will explain. The wind blows, the blades rotate, and then the lights turn on.
But look at it, it's not on.
Well, the wind is not blowing and the blades are not rotating, and so therefore the light bulb
Is not on. Maybe we could do it without wind.
This here should help. Now that's more like it.
Maybe it works better with wind.
But where's the wind?
Oh, you know the wind. Here one day, gone the next. But don't worry, someday the wind will return. Ah! No, bad machine! What's the fence ever done to you?
Oh, I've got it. We're going to dig a hole right through the earth. Then the wind can travel through the hole and get to us faster.
So what is it you guys are up to this time?
We are digging a big hole. Then when the wind's blowing around on the other side of the earth, it'll also be blowing here.
Tell me, are you crazy? We will get the most dreadful draft. And dreadful drafts lead to dreadful colds. I hereby demand you exit this hole.
Come on, Olga. Just be a pal. Let us dig.
Just be a pal. Pals don't let pals get sick. Now exit the hole.
Wow. Next, can you try to make wind? Please?
I don't know. But what the heck? Let's try and find out.
The solar cell is what we need. It creates electricity from the sun and not the wind. Dumb machine.
Actually, its smart lights should be on when it's dark, not in the day when the sun is shining.
What a great point. We need to build something that creates energy at night.
We're all supposed to sleep at night.
Maybe we're all supposed to sleep, but not all of us can. Especially if your house happens to be located right next to the den of Big Barry the Bear. That bear snores so loudly that every single wall in my house shakes.
Big bear lungs! A big bear snoring will produce big gusts of wind.
It's on.
Sweet sauerkraut!
It's working.
Shh, quiet.
What's going on? Oh, why is it so bright?
Barry, sleep, sleep,
Sleep.
I don't know how it is where you are, but around here, spring cleaning is a big adventure. So big, in fact, that sometimes we don't actually get around to the cleaning part. But one way or another, things do tend to work out.